Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the network path so you can rule out connectivity causes. First, test on the same network with VPN and proxy off. This isolates local routing. Next, make sure the app is allowed through your OS firewall and router. Blocking outbound TCP/UDP causes error 279. Once done, restart the client so it attempts a fresh handshake, because persistent sockets often keep failing until you reset them. Next, you tackle client and name resolution issues, since corrupted files or bad DNS can break connections. Clear cache or perform a clean reinstall so you remove stale configs that cause repeated 279. Then change DNS to a public resolver to speed and stabilize domain lookups. Slow DNS causes timeouts during server discovery. Meanwhile, inspect background processes that hog ports or bandwidth, because finish by applying advanced fixes so you eliminate remaining edge cases. Configure port forwarding or place your device in the router's DMZ when strict NAT blocks server connections. This forces a direct route. Update router firmware and NIC drivers to fix known bugs that drop sessions. If the error persists, capture connection logs and test using a mobile hotspot or different ISP. This pinpoints whether the problem is your network versus the game servers. Troubleshooting tip: reboot modem and router together before deep dives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.